Okay, first off, I need to feed the birdies. As every Wednesday, birdies are wildlife. Birdies help pollinate. Oops, some on the floor as well. It's a little bit overeager. Now, today, this trough is going to get emptied. That I'm going to put my gloves on, and that is going to go in there. And then after that has been wiped out, tomato grow bag is going in. Oh, it's a sorry sight in here. This is definitely well and truly had it. I think even if I trim it back, that's going to be done, but I am going to trim it back and get it out. This one is going to get emptied in a similar fashion to the previous, and this is going out and back into its proper place. Seeing if I've got any seeds, just having a note. I've got quite a few. See the black specks? Come on, there you go. See the black specks? They're actual seeds, which is handy, but that's going out. Nobody got back to me with what these two are, so I'm still a little dumbfounded. But the Black Prince is doing well, the Ladybird is doing well, the American Blue is doing well, Beefsteak, Amethyst Jewel, they're all okay. And finally, Peter Pepper actually has something in it. So I need to get going. Now, where am I going to put you? Hello, wildlife. The wildlife is growing. Oh, it's coming. I have to wait a minute. Okay, so this has had a prune back. This has had a big prune back. Absolutely adore these. These are Lithidora. Oh, let's take the weed out because we don't want the weed. The basket plants are doing well. I'll give them a water in a bit. Pampas grass, I know my luck with pampas grass. I do have one sprout, which is more than I've had in probably a decade that I've been trying to grow it. We'll see what happens. My sweet pea Wiltshire Ripple, I need to get on eBay. Clearly Fountain. Corydalis mackensis, which is otherwise known as Irish Bells. I showed you my tomatoes a little while ago. There's growth here and there, and a little bit of death, but that will all get sorted. So I'm going to have a generalised tidy up in here. That is going back down near the door because it fits just down there near the door. I haven't got enough strength to do that yet, so that'll stay out for a couple of days. Beanie's sitting on top of the Hedgehog Hotel. All of these bottles I will fill up with water and get into the greenhouse now, so they're done. The small trough here, and let that dry, and then it's going to be a lot easier to brush out all the old soil. And then I'm done for today. Generalised little tidy up, but needs must. I'm going to scoop another load of leaves and bits and put them in the compost bin. You saw me put a couple of, well, you saw me moving. You probably didn't see what I was actually doing. I picked a few handfuls of leaves up and put them in. I'm not going to scoop all of them up because there'll still be insects and bits underneath, and I want to give them a chance rather than just get rid of their homes straight away. So I better get a little bit of tidying done, and I'll see you next week.